videos can be tough. But what if AI could take the load off your shoulders and help you create in minutes? Unlock the power of AI for video creation. Learn to leverage AI for video scripting. Discover how to choose the right AI video tool. Understand how to implement voice and music in videos. Feel empowered to make videos without tech skills. Let's explore the straightforward steps to create your video. Begin by letting AI handle your script writing. How to start. Input your topic and preferred tone to get a tailored script. Action. Use ChatGPT or similar AI tools for scripting. Next, choose an AI video generator for editing. How to choose. Pick a tool that fits your style and needs. Action. Test out tools like Synthesia for ease of use. Now, focus on adding voice and music. How to enrich. Select a voiceover and background track. Action. Preview your video and adjust settings as needed. Let's look at some practical applications. You want to create a promotion for a new product. How do you start? Pause and plan. Identify your message and audience first. Your action should be: use the AI to draft an attention-grabbing script. You're tasked with making a course video. Where do you begin? Pause and assess. Understand the educational objectives clearly. If you're unsure, use AI to structure your content effectively. AI streamlines the video creation process. Follow 3 easy steps to get started. No prior experience is required to create stunning videos. It's time to act. Go make your first AI-powered video today. Thank you for participating in our training. Let's harness the power of AI together.